Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to install fonts on your Mac. Right here, I have a folder containing 137 fonts, and now I'm going to go ahead and install them. The first method is the recommended way. Simply select one or multiple fonts, then right-click, select Open With, and choose Font Book. This is the native font management app on macOS. A window will pop up. Here, it checks the validity of the files to ensure the fonts have no errors and are compatible with macOS. During the validation process, if there are any errors, they will show up right here, and you can click on them to see the cause. In most cases, it's just a font that's already installed, so you can just hit skip to ignore it. I'm going to try with a different font. If the validation process goes smoothly, you can click the Install button to start the installation. Once successfully installed, that font will appear inside your Font Book app. Besides this method, you can also access the user's font folder directly. Go to your user's home folder, then access the library folder and find the fonts folder. Here, you can create a new folder. Then, select all the fonts you want to install and copy them into the folder you just created. The advantage of this method is that it's fast. However, this bypasses the validation step of the Font Book app. This means it might include fonts that are corrupted or incompatible with macOS, but they still get copied in. So for example, if you are drafting a document in Microsoft Word and select these fonts, it will cause text errors or glitches. On macOS, you can create multiple subfolders inside the fonts directory. This helps you manage your fonts more effectively and visually. macOS will scan all fonts located within these subfolders. To delete fonts, you just need to select all the fonts you want to remove, then choose Move to Trash. Those are two simple ways you can install fonts on macOS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like for the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.